Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Stuck choosing between the Canon Portrait and Travel Lens Kit and the Nikon Micro-NIKKOR lens? It's like deciding between capturing the Grand Canyon and the veins on a leaf.
The Canon kit, at around $349 renewed, seems like a steal for two lenses. But is it sharp enough for serious travel photos, or is it more of a beginner's bundle?
Think about it. You're hiking in Yosemite. The 10 to 18 millimeters lets you grab the entire valley, El Capitan and Half Dome in one shot. Then, switch to the 50 millimeters f/1.8. That fast aperture creates gorgeous background blur for portraits. Two lenses, two totally different looks.
The Nikon 105mm, though, feels like a time tool. At around $480 renewed, it's pricier, but it's a dedicated macro lens. If you're not shooting tiny things, is it overkill?
Let's break it down. That Canon 10 to 18 millimeters is time ultra, time wide.
Right, 16mm equivalent on a full frame. You can fit tight-up-here everything may sheet in, but you also get some distortion. Is that a deal breaker?
It's a creative choice. Use it to exaggerate perspective, make things look bigger and more dramatic. Imagine shooting a narrow street in Italy. Suddenly, it feels immense.
The Nikon, though, is about asterisk precision. Its 1-to-1 macro means what you see in real life is the same size on your sensor. Think snowflakes, insect eyes, the texture of fabric.
Picture this. You're capturing the stamen of a flower, every grain of pollen in sharp focus. It's a level of detail you just can't get with the Canon kit. Plus, the Nikon has vibration reduction, crucial for steady macro shots.
Here's the core question. Do you want a jack of all trades or a master of one? The Canon offers flexibility, but the Nikon offers unparalleled detail in a specific area.
Exactly. The Canon's STM motor gives you smooth, quiet autofocus for video, a real plus. But the Nikon's internal focusing means the lens doesn't extend when focusing, keeping dust out and making it more robust. What's your priority?
So if you're a travel enthusiast who also enjoys portraits and wants to experiment with video, the Canon Portrait and Travel Lens Kit gives you a lot of bang for your buck. And it's lightweight, at just over a pound.
But if you're fascinated by the miniature world, crave extreme sharpness, and want to explore the art of macro photography, the Nikon Micro-NIKKOR is the lens to get. Just remember it's heavier, closer to 2 pounds. Both are renewed, so you're saving money and being eco-conscious. Now, go capture something amazing. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.